actually set an air conditioner into my room because I just can't stand the heat in my room. We thought, why not buy an air conditioner into my room, and it's actually helping me. It's making me focus better in what I want to do, and that makes it a really good thing. Today I just got the air conditioner for my room. You know, I've always been dealing with heat in my room, even though it's night. But it's gonna be even worse during the day. At a time when it's daytime, I always experience heat in my room. The temperatures exceed the room temperature, the average room temperature. The average room temperature for my room is about 35 Celsius. That's really warm. That's why I decided to get a new air conditioner. I'm gonna tell you something. Tonight, I'm gonna be meeting the wife of the brother of my dad. I've never met her for more than 1 year. As you can see, I have switched the air conditioner off for more than 1 hour ago because it was raining. It was just basically raining. I've heard thunder, so I just thought, why not switch that air conditioner off? I actually feel that the room here is getting colder. I just still need an air conditioner because we live near the equator. And it is been known to have warmer temperatures. It is always summer every day, no matter what season it is. Northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere or whatever hemisphere you live, it's always summer. Okay, so we're having dinner with the wife of the brother of my father. She's only gonna be here for a little bit less than a day. She'll be traveling to the west. But we're having a really big dinner. So it's currently 10 in the evening. How excited are you going to sleep with your new air conditioner? Really super duper excited. I can try it out. I'm excited for you to try it out. You're gonna really sleep well. Yes, that will really help me because I know that lower temperatures in your room can actually make falling asleep easier because the environment is much easier for you to calm. Yeah, that is really right. You're really gonna be excited. I know how ready you are because you really wanted to get into the room. That's it. Good night. Bye. We're gonna get inside the room. It's been 4 hours since I last used the air conditioner. It's still pretty cold here. Still a nice place to relax.